Introduction to Automating Goals with Todoist.
Ready to achieve more with less effort? Todoist is a powerful tool that helps you track daily habits and long-term goals. In this guide, you'll learn step-by-step how to set up, organize, and automate your habits and objectives using Todoist's features. Let's unlock a more productive and consistent you.
Setting up projects and sections.
Start by organizing your goals with projects and sections. Create a dedicated project in Todoist for habits and another for bigger goals. Use sections to separate daily routines, weekly habits, and long-term aspirations. This structure gives a clear overview and makes it simple to find and update your progress.
Creating recurring tasks for habits.
Track habits with recurring tasks. In your habits project, add tasks like meditate or drink 2 liters of water. Set them to repeat daily, weekly, or on specific weekdays. Todoist will automatically reset these tasks, giving you reminders to keep you on track and making consistency effortless.
Using labels and priorities.
Enhance your workflow with labels and priorities. Assign labels such as #morning or #wellness to group similar habits. Set priority levels to highlight your most important tasks. This makes it easier to focus on key actions throughout your day and see which habits or goals need attention first.
Automating progress and tracking achievements.
Automate progress tracking and celebrate wins. Use Todoist's built-in karma system to monitor your streaks and completed tasks. For deeper insights, connect Todoist to calendar apps or productivity dashboards with integrations. Review your completed tasks regularly to motivate yourself and adjust habits for better results.
Tips for maintaining momentum.
Stay on course with simple strategies. Keep tasks achievable and break big goals into smaller actions. Set reminders and review your projects weekly to stay aligned with your objectives. Reward yourself for consistency and don't be afraid to adjust your system as you learn what works best for you.
Conclusion. Make goal automation a habit.
With Todoist, you can turn ambition into action. By setting up organized projects, using recurring tasks, and automating progress tracking, you'll find it easier than ever to build habits and achieve your goals. Start today and see how automation can help you grow every day.